Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. I'm going to be sharing with you everything that I picked up during the Sephora VIB sale haul. I actually wasn't anticipating filming this video today. I'm home sick, not me sick, but my daughter is sick, and all of my packages ended up showing up today. I was thinking one wasn't going to arrive until tomorrow, so I figured I would toss the makeup on and we could film this today. I'm so excited to dig into everything that I picked up. So I have a ton. I have this huge box behind me, another box right here, and then another box right here. I did end up picking up quite a bit for my holiday giveaway, so a lot of this stuff isn't necessarily for me, but it is stuff that's going to be included in my giveaway. Oh my gosh, I feel like my sweatshirt's super messy, and I wasn't about to really do my hair for this video, so I do apologize. But if you guys are interested in the items that I picked up during the Sephora VIB sale, then stay tuned. First, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I do upload videos 5 days a week, so I hope you consider subscribing before you go. And other than that, let's just get into this haul. Alright guys, this is going to be, I feel like I'm like a action reporter right now. This is going to be probably a longer haul video. This is one of my boxes, and then I have two others. So I'm going to start with, actually 2 palettes that I actually didn't pick up during the sale. I picked these up right before the sale, but I wanted to talk about these. These are the new Hooda nude palettes. I got the medium one, which is this one right here. And I played with this one yesterday. I really do enjoy both of these. They kind of have more mauve toned vibes to me rather than nude, if you will. This is the rich one. I decided not to pick the light one up, but I did pick up another Hooda palette that we'll get into in a little bit. So I didn't feel like I needed the light version, but I thought this was so pretty. I played around with this one a little bit too and really have been enjoying both of these. Okay, so let's jump into the things that I purchased in store. First, I picked up this from Ole Henriksen. This is the Glow OH Dark Glow 2O Dark Spot Toner. So many people rave about this. I am so excited to give this a try. I have just the tiniest bit of my Youth to the People kombucha toner left, and I really want to test this one out next, so I'm really excited to try this. I will come back and do a thorough follow-up haul on all of the products that I personally bought for myself, and am reviewing another skincare product. I've already taken this out of the box. So this is from Youth to the People. This is the Kale Tripeptide 5 Vitamin C Hyaluronic Acid. I've heard nothing but good things about this serum, and I've been really into Youth to the People in general as a brand, and pretty much have loved every single product that I've tried from Youth to the People, so I really wanted to give this guy a shot. And then I only picked up skincare in store. I also picked up this from Tatcha. You guys, I tried a sample of the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, and I had to have it in a full size, even though this is so incredibly expensive. It truly did pain me, even with the sale, it truly did pain me to purchase this, but I really wanted it. So I did end up picking this one up from Tatcha, and that's everything that I picked up in the store. So now let's jump into all of my online orders. So order number 1, I needed more brush cleaner. I just buy mine from the Sephora brand. This is their daily brush cleaner, so I picked a little bottle of this up. I also wanted to pick up another nail polish from Nails Inc. This is in the shade Moon Boots, and it's part of their Foiling in Love line. It looks white in the tube, but if you look closely at it, it has a duochrome effect to it, and I'm really excited to try this out. I'm just kind of bored of my nail polish collection currently, and I really like the Nails Inc brand. I've always had good luck with their polishes. So I've been really getting into skincare and skincare ingredients and really doing a lot of skincare research. So I really have been wanting to try more skincare too. So I picked this up from the Inky list, or the In-Key list. This is their Vitamin C Face Serum. I'm almost done with my Little Mini Truth Serum from Ole Henriksen, and I figured before starting another Vitamin C Truth Serum, I would try out a different vitamin C product. I guess I didn't realize that this Kale serum also has vitamin C, so I just have a ton of vitamin C, which I'm not mad about. So I picked that up. The Inky List is a relatively inexpensive brand at Sephora. I believe all of their products are $15 or under. And then the last product in this box is, I took it out of the box. This is from Kaja. This is their Mochi Glow highlighter in the shade One Toy Alien. So I swatched this in store a couple months ago and really just was intrigued by the texture of it. This isn't gonna swatch that well actually. Oh, interesting. It swatched much better yesterday. This one I got yesterday and now I feel like it's not swatching very well at all. I did think that this was going to be a more subtle highlight, maybe one that I could wear to the gym, etc. But I'm wondering, oh, I hope I didn't leave, no, my cap was shut. I was gonna say I hope it doesn't like dry out or anything. It's just a really beautiful, like kind of icy champagne sort of highlight that I thought would be really pretty as a more subtle highlight for the winter months. Plus I just wanted to try more from Kaja Beauty if I am being honest. Okay, this big box back here has all of my like stuff that I purchased for my giveaway. So I'm going to go through my other smaller box before we get into all of the stuff that I purchased for a giveaway. So first from Fenty Beauty, I picked up this little duo. This is the Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter Gloss Bomb and Kilowatt Highlight Duo. This is limited edition for, oh interesting, for the holidays. So the highlight in this is in the shade Sandcastle, which I didn't realize that I actually already have in the duo with Sandcastle and Mint Mojito. Interesting, but how cute is this little mini highlight? I thought that was so cute. So this is what the highlight looks like, and let's swatch this. This one is like ultra metallic. There it is right there. This might be a little bit dark for me right now, but it does look like a very beautiful highlight. And then you get a little mini gloss bomb in the shade, I believe it's a new shade, Sweet Mouth, which first of all, I just wanted a little mini gloss bomb, but let's see what Sweet Mouth looks like. It's just like an icy pink sort of gloss. And I'm very, very excited about this duo. I love the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb as well as the Kilowatt highlights, so this set was like made for me. And then speaking of Fenty Beauty and gloss bombs, I did pick this up for myself. This is the Glossy Posse Mini Gloss Bomb Collection, the little mini 5-pack in Pretty Please, Fussy, Confetti, Hot Chocolate, and Cheeky. So I'm not gonna swatch all of these right now just for time's sake. But oh, it's so cute. I'm so excited about these. Okay, so then I also did pick up finally the Dominie Cosmetics Latte palette for myself. I have basically been wanting this palette since last year, and I finally just decided that I was going to purchase this for myself. So this is what this looks like. This is not new to the market, obviously, but I'm really excited about this. I feel like I've heard nothing but great reviews about this. This actually is larger than I feel like I remember it being in store, but anyway, very excited to get my hands on this and play with this. I feel like this will be nice for work, and then it has those fun pops of color on like for the weekends or days that I'm filming, so really excited about this one. I also picked up the duo pack of the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Over the last year, I've really learned that I just absolutely love the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray when I'm looking to make my makeup last longer. So this was $42 and it's a $66 value, so I really just could not pass up the opportunity to purchase this. So I'm going to go on, not really a rant, but I did end up picking up the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush Quad from their Ghost collection, and I thought I had talked myself out of this because honestly, you guys, this is a horrible value if you do the math. So this retails for $58, and the size of, if you take the amount of grams of product that you're getting in this, it's way less than one of their blushes, which retail for $40. So it's truly a horrible value, and that in and of itself kind of just annoys me. But when I swatched this in store, I just couldn't pass it up, so I ended up ordering it online the day that the sale went live. So I am really excited to have this in my collection. I haven't purchased any of the previous holiday Hourglass palettes, so this is my first time purchasing one of their holiday palettes, and I've been tempted in the past but haven't. I like that they did the smaller size this year for $58 rather than having to buy the 6 shades for $80. I would not have done that, but I'm excited to test this out and see what I think. Okay, and then the Hooda Mercury Retrograde palette, you guys. Oh my goodness. So I just felt like I had to have this. Oh my goodness, I have been so into astrology as of the last couple months, and it's like a long-running joke with me and anyone that knows me that I always just joke and say, like, if there's not chaos going on in my life, then like I'm just too bored, and like I feel like I always just have to like create chaos just for the sake of having chaos in my life. And essentially Mercury retrograde is when Mercury is spinning in the opposite direction of Earth, and it's known to just be a more chaotic time. So I felt like I had to have this, and the inside is just stunning and beautiful. I love the packaging. It's this beautiful like plastic, just like spacey sort of vibe. I don't know, I just love the packaging, and this is what the inside looks like. Now it is not quite as vibrant as I like would have expected or had anticipated, but I'm so excited to play with this top row of shimmers. Seriously, I swatched these in store and I'm like, oh, I cannot wait to play with this palette. I do want to do like a chatty get ready with me or like a testing new makeup, so let me know if you want to see, let me know which palette you're most interested in seeing me test out. I do have one other palette to share with you guys that I picked up. I want to say I'm disappointed in myself, but I'm really not. So this is the Pat McGrath Mothership 5 palette, the Bronze Seduction, and I have been thinking about this palette and going back and forth on this for like 6 to 7 months, and so finally I just decided to pick it up for myself. This is what it looks like, and I am so excited to jump into this and play with this. I know it's such an expensive palette, but I just could not resist. I just really have wanted this for such a long time, and I'm really excited to just have one large Pat McGrath palette in my collection just so that I can use it as reference almost, and obviously hopefully get a ton of use out of it and love this. But you know, I have my Natasha Denona palettes. It was time for me to purchase a Pat McGrath palette, or at least that's how I felt, so I'm really excited about this one. I know it's a ridiculously priced palette, but I'm really excited to play around with this. Okay, and then that just leaves the 6 holiday sets that I picked up for giveaways. I'm going to be doing 10 separate giveaways, I think in 10 separate videos throughout the latter half of November / into December. So I did pick up 6 holiday gift sets. The first one is this one from Ole Henriksen. Ole Henriksen is by far one of my favorite skincare lines or brands. This set is the Oh My Glow Brightening Set. It comes with the Banana Bright Face Primer, a little mini of the Banana Bright Eye Cream, which I love, also a mini of the Ole Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Gel Creme, which I love, a full size of the Truth Serum, which is one of my favorites. So I just thought this was a perfect set to share with someone. Definitely want to share one of my favorite skincare brands with one of my subscribers. So this is one of the sets that I picked up. And then I also absolutely love Belief, so I wanted to pick up one of their holiday sets. This comes with the True Cream Moisturizing Balm, which is one of my favorite moisturizers, especially for this time of year. It also comes with our Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser, which I have not tried yet, and a little mini of their Moisturizing Eye Balm, which I love, so hoping that one of my subscribers will love this as well. Another skincare set, I think most of these are like skincare, they're not necessarily like makeup. So Laneige is another brand that I absolutely love. So this is their Hydration Dream Team set. It comes with a miniature size of their cream skin toner and moisturizer, a full size of their water sleeping mask, which I really like, also the Laneige lip sleeping mask, which I currently have on my lips right now. I love this mask. It is perfect for those of you with just chronically dry lips. And then it also comes with a little mini water bank moisture cream, so very excited for one of you to get this. Then I also was very excited about this set. So this is one of the Sephora favorite sets. This is the Soko to Tokyo, and it has the hottest beauty trends inspired by South Korea and Japan. So you're getting a bunch of different products in here. I'll just hold this up rather than reading all of these off. But I thought that this would be another really fun one to give away this holiday season. And then finally, the last one, I knew I wanted to pick this up for my giveaway. This is the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Carnival Celebration Kit. It comes with their hand cream, their moisturizing shower gel, a full size of their Boom Boom cream, which we all love, and then also their Brazilian Crush body spray. So really excited to get my giveaways underway. I know it's gonna be like it's gonna be smaller like giveaways, if you will, just because it'll be like one item per giveaway, but I wanted to give away more stuff this year, or 2 more winners this year, rather than doing like one big giveaway with like 1 or 2 winners. So I do want to do 10 separate giveaways throughout the holiday season to 10 of my subscribers, just to say thank you for all of the support that you guys always give me on my videos. But that concludes today's Sephora VIB haul. I feel like we're zipping up the wallet for the rest of the year. I feel pretty poor after this haul, but I'm really excited to test out some new products, to give away some of these products, and to just play with makeup. I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. You'll have to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you picked up during the sale, or were you good and did you skip the sale? I feel like a lot of people actually were skipping the sale, which I'm like, power to you people, because I just can never skip a sale. Anyway, you guys, thanks so much for sticking around to watch today's video, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.